Okay, so we made it to Kimba, which is apparently the halfway point across Australia. I feel like we've already been halfway across Australia, to be honest. I think Kimba are just a bit good at marketing themselves, and that was part of their tourist spiel. But anyway, it's a really cute little town, so let's have a look around. Okay, so just climbed the long hill out of Kimba. Still going actually. But yeah, cute town. Pretty good if you like taking selfies. Lots of opportunities for that. And now we're on our way to Iron Knob. So called because it's famous for iron mining and iron ore and stuff like that. They do mine tours, all that stuff. So we'll maybe do that when we get there. Yeah, onwards.